Every time I lay my head at night, I pray to God watch over me, cause I ain't living right. Reminiscing how I told you that I've been hurt before.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a beautiful day today. So I got a package from DoorDash. I wanted to hide my the package is right here. I didn't want to show my name or nothing, my address or nothing. So I got a package right here. I'm gonna do a little unboxing. Right here, this house right here is so nice. It's so big inside there, but it's still working on it. Yeah, I went inside and you guys should see the tile. I should have go back in there and show you guys a little something of it, but I'm not gonna do that. It is beautiful. Now something that's here that's big like this, like look like something like that. Like these houses over here is like in the million. Yeah, in the million, man. But that's the unboxing. I got this from I ordered it. I basically got it for free at from DoorDash. DoorDash sent it to me. I ordered it online. It was free. I didn't have to pay. And I'm gonna do the unboxing and show you guys what they sent me. Alright guys, so here I go. Here it is. Just bust this open. It came in the mail today, and it is so hot. It is really hot today in Florida. It's like about 90 to 93 degrees, and the humidity make it feels like 100 and something. Because okay, so they send me 10 disposable masks that I didn't even know. It's so crazy. I had ordered them off of the DoorDash thing. I can't even remember, but I got them for free. So I got 10 disposable, as you can see right there. I don't want to open it. It's the blue ones, the normal blue mask. And they also send me the one with the DoorDash sign. Here it is. You know, the red one. Yeah. And yeah, I think this is the reusable. This is the reusable, you know, the washable. And next, they send me a DoorDash hand sanitizer gel. And it said, kill most germs on it. Yeah, so I don't know if they got the hand sign, they're clapping, or maybe they're rubbing their hands. Look like they're clapping to me, but I think they're actually rubbing their hands with it. So yeah, that's all I got, guys. That's my little unboxing. This is like one of the most quickest unboxing. See how strong this is. You know, some of them when you use it have a strong, yep. Yeah guys, so I got it for free, as I said. DoorDash. I ordered them and I can't even remember the site to like go on. I just can't remember. I guess it's in the shopping area. It's free due to because I'm a dasher. So when I had went on there, and I can't even remember how I got on there, how I did it. Sorry, I can't really share that information with you guys. I really can't remember, which is messed up. But yeah, so I got a mask and I got 10 disposable masks from them for free, plus the hand sanitizer. I hope you guys enjoy this quick little mini videos. And as I said, it's hot out here. Be safe. Make sure you keep on washing your hands. Keep on using your hand sanitizer. I'm not a fan of people sticking needles in me, because I'm the type of person I love everything that's natural. But for the ones that's vaccinated, please keep on wearing your mask, because the new Delta variant, that don't have nothing to do with the the original COVID-19. That's like a different strand of the virus that is stronger. And people who got vaccinated is still getting sick anyway, still end up getting the COVID and still end up dying. So that's why I said I'm not a fan of the vaccinated process. I'd rather keep on wearing my mask, protecting myself. I don't care if you vaccinated or not, but I think it's better for your own safety, because I don't really care what people do. Anybody could do whatever they want to do. If they want to kill themselves, that's their problem. I wouldn't want nobody to kill themselves, but I'm just saying, if you want to go and do that, it's on you. You're still going to pay for your sins. You will still, God will still be the judge. And they have some part of the Bible said, if you kill yourself, yeah, that's a sin. If you kill yourself anyways, that's a sin. Yeah, what I was trying to say, I'm all over the place, man. Yeah, so what I basically was trying to say, protect yourself and care for others, not only for yourself. You know, even though you vaccinated, wear your mask and just do what you got to do. And when you get out, you could just take it off, because as I said, the vaccine is not 100% safe. A couple of people who did it, they passed away, they died, they still end up contracting the virus, and they still end up dying. And I've been reading so much and watching so much videos that they said that it kills. Even this girl was telling me that it even kill your sex drive for the man. They can't get it up no more. She was like telling me all this. I was like, what? Yeah, I wasn't even planning on going to take it anyways. Now I'm really not going to take it. What? Telling me all this problem that this thing caused. And you know, everybody's body is different. So it's not mean that if I take it, something's going to happen to me. Because I don't know. Nobody know how it's going to react to the human body. I don't know how it's going to react to my body. But I'm just saying what people say and people telling me, and real people, not no robot, people who actually took it and say that this happened to them, they can't get it up no more, it killed their sex drive. Oh, what? Oh, no. So, yeah, just to put that out there to make this video a little interesting. But yeah, but it's true. I'm not lying to you guys with that part, with the can't get it up part. Yeah. So, it's a no-no for me. It's a no. I'd rather keep on washing my hands and wear my mask and be safe as possible. When I go deliver my food, I spray my Lysol all in my car, on my body and all too. So yeah, your boy is that safe. But thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please be safe. Please keep on. Don't forget to wash your hands. And please wear your mask. I know a lot of people hate it. I hate it too, trust me. As I put my mask on, I start sweating because I can't breathe and it's already hot here in Florida. So I understand. I feel you guys' pain. I don't like the mask. Nobody does. But to be safe, what? You rather die? You rather cut your lifespan short? Or you rather protect yourself and be safe? That's a question for you guys. But anyways, peace. Have a beautiful weekend. God bless. Don't forget to pray. Pray for yourself. Pray for others, your enemies, everybody in the world. We all need it. We need to pray for each other, because the Lord is coming soon, man. Jesus is coming soon. He's coming back. I don't know what else to say with you guys. Bless, man. Have a blessed day. And I'm out.